In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a video with pictures and music. So here is what it will look like once you've created it. So we can create a slideshow video which fades into different pictures with music in the background. Okay, so let's start and let's create this in a couple of minutes. So we're going to do this with a free photo and video editing software called Canva. So you can go ahead and go to canva.com. So you can type canva.com into your URL bar or just type in Canva in Google and then you'll see it here, Canva Visual Suite for everyone. Go ahead and click on this and it might prompt you to sign in with your Google account or create an account. Now this is completely free and it will take around 30 seconds. Now, once you're inside of Canva, you then want to go ahead and click Create a Design. And from here, we need to search for video. So you can either find videos here on the left, or you might see video here. I'm going to click on videos, and you can then go ahead and choose one of these. Now, this is going to depend on how big your photos are and what dimensions they are. So I'm going to choose the 1920 by 1080 video. That's going to be landscape. But if you do want to create a video slideshow with photos, which are square, for example, then you might want to choose 1080 by 1080. If you want a slideshow in the portrait dimensions for like the phone, you would want to choose here mobile video. It's up to you though. I'm going to choose this 19 by 20 template here. Now that's going to then create a blank video. And what we can do is we can upload our own photos to this. We can add transitions and we can add music all in the next couple of minutes for free. Very easy. So let's go ahead and now upload some photos. So on Canva, you want to go to the left to uploads. And if you click on uploads, you can then click upload files. And that's going to open up this file explorer window. And you can then just find your photos. So go ahead and find any photos that you have on your computer and just go ahead and select them. You can hold Control and you can then select more than one. So just select the photos that you want to upload and make sure they're selected and then click open. That will then open those pictures inside of Canva and it will keep them there for future reference. Now I've got a load of videos in Canva and I'm going to use these to create a video with music in the background. So we're going to drag on some images right now. So we'll drag on this picture of a beach and we can drag this wherever we want on the screen. And I want to resize it so it takes up the whole screen. So if we click on it, you can see we have these 4 points in the corner of the image. We can go ahead and then drag this and we can cover the dimensions. Now let's add another image. So we'll go ahead and find the next image, which I'll use this one here. And we can just drag it on to this plus here at the bottom. So this is going to be your timeline. So I'm dragging my image on to the second plus. That's going to then fill this second slide. So let's add one more just for the video. We'll add this one and we'll drag it on to this plus. And let's just do one more. We'll do one final one. So now we've got 4 images added. Now we can click through these and obviously you can see what images you've got added. Now what I'm going to recommend you do, because by default, each image is going to last for 5 seconds. If you go to edit timing and you can select any image for this, go edit timing at the top and you can then choose your timing. So I'm going to bring the timing down to 2.5 seconds and we're going to select this and it's going to apply that to all of the pages. So every picture now will show for 2.5 seconds. Let's just play this and see if that does work. So if you click play, you'll be able to see the slider go through these and there you go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a very simple transition. Then we can upload our music and then we're done. So to add a transition, go ahead and hold your mouse in between 2 of the pictures on the timeline. Then you'll see add transition. If you go ahead and click on this button, the transitions will open. I just like to add a very simple dissolve transition. And then I want to make sure that I've got this transition between all of the pictures. So go ahead and do this in between each picture and you know you've got a transition because this icon will appear. So now let's double check. We'll move this slider back and we'll play. And there you go. You can see the transition is in effect. So now let's upload some music. So to find music that you can use legally for free, just go to Google and just search royalty-free music. There are many websites you can use. I'm just going to use pixabay.com. So click on any of these. You can now search for any music, but for the sake of the video, we'll just download this one without playing it. You can play them though here and just preview them, but this one will be okay for our needs. Click download. It will then go into your downloads folder. Now go back to the upload section on Canva, click upload files, then upload this MP3 file that you've just downloaded. and you should see it in Canva. Just wait for it to fully upload. Now you can just go ahead and drag this on. Now you can choose what part of the song you want, so you can kind of like move this up and down, and you can also crop this and get the music perfect with your slideshow. Now what I would recommend you do is click on the music, then go to the volume button here, and you can change the volume down a bit because it might be a bit too loud. Now let's go ahead and play this and just see if it's working. So there you go, that's pretty good, right? So now we'll go ahead and download this video that we've just made. Go to share in the top right hand corner, go ahead and click on download. Then it should download as an MP4 video. Click download and then just wait for this video to be created. It might take a while depending on how many images you've got. And there you go, that will be downloaded into your downloads folder. You can then go ahead and open it, and here's the finished product. I hope that video helped you out. Let me know in the comment section below if it did.